Indian Army is a professional, righteous and responsible force which in spite of grave provocations has always responded in a calibrated and measured manner. We target only terrorists in known terrorist camps with precision weapons, ensuring that there is no collateral damage, a fact which even Pakistan Army has admitted during Operation Sindoor. However, Pakistan Army has no legitimate targets to strike inside India, nor does it have the courage or capability to stand up to Indian armed forces face to face. Hence, it uses terrorism as a national policy and resorts to unmanned aerial weapons launched from its own soil. Drones and long-range missiles were launched and fired from his own territory, which were his mainstay. Indian military installations, civilian population centers, including innocent ladies and children, were also not spared and were considered as legitimate targets by the Pakistan military. He has even targeted religious places specifically, a case in point being the Golden Temple located in Amritsar, which is internationally renowned and a place of faith for everybody. It saw a surfeit of drone and missile attacks, which were thwarted bravely by our Army AD gunners. The Indian Armed Forces and Army Air Defence gunners will continue to defeat all his designs and thwart all aerial threats always.
Under Operation Sindoor, the Indian Armed Forces launched a successful strike against terror infrastructure against Pakistan. After 22nd April, we started our preparations and were ready to deploy at short notice. Once we got our orders, we moved swiftly into our designated operational areas and were prepared for all contingencies to provide security and safety to Amritsar and the regions of Punjab. Presently, we were standing in a well-concealed and well-protected gun position of the Panther gunners close to the international border. We are prepared for all and any kind of threats that the enemy might throw at us, which includes drone attacks, air attacks, and counter-bombardment and any other hybrid threats. We stand vigilant, we stand alert and are ready to thwart any nefarious designs that the enemy might throw at us. I would also like to highlight the contribution of the civil population. Their unwavering support and cooperation facilitated our operations in a great way.
Sharp diplomacy, economic prowess and military capability manifested in achievement of all political and military objectives with consummate professionalism and scoring an emphatic and decisive victory as part of Operation Sindoor. This should dissuade Pakistan military from any further misadventure. Moreover, Indian armed forces are acutely aware of Pakistan military's shortcomings, compulsions and all pressure points. If Pak military tries any misadventure, it will do it to its complete peril, and our fully prepared and motivated armed forces with modern weapons and superior combat capability will give it an annihilating response next time. Our whole of nation approach and comprehensive national power will ensure complete destruction of Pakistan if needed. Operation Sindoor has just paused. It has not yet completed. Its full force manifestation with deadly violence is still pending.
लड़ने और मारने के लिए हम उसी दिन हो गए तैयार थे। मोड़ दिया है मुंह तोफों का दुश्मन की ओर, बस मौके का इंतजार है। एक बार मिल जाए देश, इस बार आर है जा पार है। पैंथर के नुमाइंदे हम, कैन डू विल डू हमारा घर है। दुश्मन को घुस के मारेगी अंदर तक, अब नहीं किसी का डर है। जहन में है बदला, दिल में है जज्बा और आंखों में गरूर है। आतंकवाद को जड़ से मिटाने के लिए हिंदुस्तान ने चला दिया ऑपरेशन सिंदूर है। भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। कैन डू, कैन डू, कैन डू।